Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can make your battery last longer. Means if you are feeling that your laptop battery is getting drained too fast or too quickly, you can make some changes on your laptop so that your battery will be lasting longer. So I'll tell you 3 simple steps. Just follow this and test whether the battery performance has been improved. Yeah, first of all, this is the brand new AMD Ryzen 5 IdeaPad Slim 1 Lenovo brand laptop, which is Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 1 AMD Ryzen 5 5625U laptop. This is 2 months old laptop, and my previous laptop is this one, which is Lenovo of Intel. Okay, this is IdeaPad Slim 3, and now I moved to this one. Recently I purchased 2 months back, and I observed battery drain. Means it's coming like almost like 3 or 3.5 hours, but I expected even more. Maybe I can do a few things to make this battery last longer. The first thing you can do is, if possible, try to use your laptop with decreasing or required amount of brightness. Even if it is mobile or the laptop, when you increase the brightness and use, the screen brightness will consume a lot of battery. Other than this, what else consumes? So on the battery here, just right click on this and click on power and sleep settings. First of all, let us analyze why our battery or why our laptop battery is getting drained too fast. So there is a section called under system power and battery. There is an option called battery usage. Let us check the statistics first, or the analytics you can say. I'll be using this battery usage per app so that I'll get a basic idea. See here, the laptop battery is being consumed mostly by Microsoft Clipchamp. See here, Microsoft Clipchamp. This is the video editing software what I use regularly. So the maximum amount of this laptop is consumed by Microsoft Clipchamp, which is 35%, and next to that Google Chrome. So whenever there is no need here, see here, there are actually 2 Chrome individual processes running. So you can close one such, automatically your battery percentage gets saved here. Or else there are see here, there is a 3 bars here highlighted. You need to click on this and click on manage background activity. For any app which you don't want the app to be running in the background, just choose it as never and restart your computer. Remember, if you keep it in never, there won't be any notifications or background running. So this will impact. If you're very sure about that particular app that need not to be run in the background, you can choose, or you can keep it to power optimized. Okay, what else can we do? Where is this? Power and sleep. Yeah, click on the power and sleep again, and there is another options here, lid power and sleep button controls. You need to click on this drop down, and closing the lid will make my PC. By default, this option will be in sleep for you. Okay, the sleep option. What does this means? First of all, immediately change that sleep to hibernate. See here, I choose hibernate. Okay, remember me or believe me that when I shift from the sleep to hibernate of this particular, closing the lid will make my PC really saved my battery a lot, almost by 50%. What this option exactly does is, if you close your lid, means if you make your laptop close here, the laptop will usually go to sleep mode, but instead of sleep mode, this will go to hibernate. Means all the background processes will be kept in halt, so that no battery consumption will be there. Say for example, now see here, I'll be placing the cursor over my battery. Say it is 78%. Now if I close my battery, keeping this option, closing the lid will make my PC in hibernate. For say for example, after 6 to 7 hours, if I open my laptop for use again, it will be somewhere near 78 approximately, 76, 77, 78 only, means there won't be any battery consumption. It just acts like the shutdown of the computer. Okay, and another option, see here, there is a power mode, right? The second option, it will be defaultly in battery. On battery, it will be in balanced. You can keep it to better power efficiency, but the recommended is balanced only. But even though if you want to test it for 2-3 days, just use this option, best power efficiency, when the laptop is being operated on battery. Okay, but I'm just using with balance. So just try these three options and check how your battery is doing. And energy saver, reduce power consumption and increase battery life by limiting. So my laptop gets turned on at 30% of the battery. So you can increase it to 40%, something like that, but it's absolutely according to your choice. So here, lower screen brightness when using energy saver. See, the first point I mentioned is, if possible, try to use your laptop at minimum brightness or minimum required brightness, I can say. So by checking the battery usage per app, close unwanted apps which runs in the background. See, if I don't use Google Chrome, it is better me to just shut down this, means close this. OBS Studio, actually I'm not using this recording software right now, but I just opened it and I just closed it, means I just minimized it, but still it has used 7% of the battery. So closing all such apps which runs in the background will really save the battery. See here, and these are the least using batteries, one per less than percentage. Okay, fine. Yeah, so if you have any other tips or tricks which saves power or battery, please do comment down, and if possible, I will try to attach this laptop, Lenovo AMD Ryzen laptop, which I purchased recently. You can check in the tag products for the more details, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.